Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday, hitting the highs at 29, 20, 24 zone, the most critical zone which we have been following since long, and silver at 33. Now, these are the critical levels for gold and silver to break past by. Can we expect a rally from here? Because the inflation data today could fuel up the rise here, or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the inflation data release, before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the first. If you look at the movement in gold, you will find, see, this was the dip here, then a strong bounce back. I have mentioned yesterday, 2880 has provided it a very strong support, and it has bounced back from the same zone. What is happening since then? See, after the rise, it is consolidating. It has waited for the 20 period to climb up. And you can also notice that it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Also, on the upside, the resistances are playing out very strong. So now we have to wait for it to break past by 2920, 2924 zone. That will be a zone beyond which you can say now the prices are turning bullish. You can see a good enough consolidation is seen. A good support is formed at 2910, 2914 zone. This is the zone on the downside, and 2920, 2924 zone on the upside. So these levels are going to play out a major role today in deciding the further movement in gold prices. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish. Stochastic rise. But when you look at MACD, after retracing here, it has just crossed over. This is a slight bearish sign here. We have to wait. We have to wait and see whether we can see any kind of divergence. Divergence means there has to be bearish candles here. And does it suggest that once it trades below 29.1008, you can look forward to a greater correction? The RSI is comfortable. Coming to 2 hours. On the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. See, bullishness got diminished here, consolidated here. It is trying to retrace. Also, the support levels till towards, see, the moving averages crossing over here till towards 2900 are very strong. Below that also you can find out 2890 and 2880 zone. These are the levels gold need to break in order to confirm a reversal. Right now the prices are in a zone of consolidation. The stochastic has dropped here, while the MACD, after the crossover trading with moderate bullishness looking upwards, the RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is similar. On the 3-hour chart, see, bullishness getting diminished, reversal sign here, and now the prices are in a zone of consolidation. I will wait for the closure of the current candle. If it tries to close below 29.15.14, you can expect that the next one is going to be further bearish. This is something you can keep a note of. And then once it trades below 29.10 and 29.05 zone, you can say that this is the reversal and the bears are back. Else it is right now trading in a bullish note. Also notice what has happened: the rise, consolidation, the retracement, then the rise here. It is trying to form this nice flag. The lows here are below 2880 levels. Let's watch out. And also remember, once it trades below 2880, the lower, the next support levels are far below towards 2860 and 40. The stock is trying to cool down. The MACD has crossed over. It is trading with moderate bullishness here, while the RSI is running flat. On the 4-hour chart, the observation on the 4-hour charts is also similar. See, after this dip here, it has recovered. Then it has formed another support now at 2880, and it is trying to stay in zone. It has to come out of this box. Now see, after this recovery, I can see a largely flat movement here. There's a breakout about 29, 24, 25, or rather I will say 29, 24, 26, and 29, 30, 32. These are the two key levels you should watch out for. Any breakout beyond 29, 30, 32 is a clear sign of just close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 29, 40, 50, and 55 levels. If you look at the stochastic here, this is slightly overbought, and the MACD has just crossed over on the buy side here. We have to watch out because the divergence here, a couple of bullish candles, and it will continue on the confirmation of reversal here. Yes, this will be the reversal path here, because see, the rise, retracement, and the crossover here is a good sign for the bulls as of now. RSI flat. Coming to daily chart, now when you look at daily chart, see the drop here, the retracement, the resistance here was pretty strong, and with that as resistance, prices try to retrace. But immediately after the retracement, we have seen a good reversal here. A strong greener candle has appeared yesterday. But most importantly, it is yet to break beyond these highs, that is 29, 30, 32. And also remember, once it breaks beyond 29, 30, 32, I think this could be the breakout. This could be the move which is going to take the prices higher. Be mindful of this. Still not confirming the bearishness here, but at the same time, I am just cautious of this, because see, Red green, the current one could be red enough to take the prices below 2880. Yes, it could erase all the gains from the preceding move as well. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD right now is trading bearish. The RSI is running flat. So before I provide you the levels now, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where to buy. Yes, if you see it is staying above 29.20, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 29.24, 26, the first resistance zone, and 29.30, 32, the next. Any move beyond 29.30, 32, do not think of selling gold here. We are looking forward to 29.40, 48, and 55, 56. If these three levels are taken, anyways, there is no point to staying short in gold. We can look forward to 29.64, 29.80, and 3000 levels, though I am not in favor of such a rise. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 29.12, 29.10 levels, expected to move towards 29.0604 first target, 28.98, 2900 the second, and then 28.90, 28.92 third. If these three levels are taken, stay short for 28.80, and below 28.80, we are looking forward to a greater price correction. Take your positions accordingly, because below 2880 it's directly going to head towards 2860 and 40 levels. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Right now it is trading bullish. It can continue to do so, but not no confirmation without a breakout on the upside above 29.30.32. It is not to be treated bullish. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts, after a good rise here, it is retraced yet to break below the support levels 3260, which was the resistance earlier, has now become the support. Yesterday I have mentioned if it breaks beyond 3260, 65, we can look forward to the move towards 33. What has happened? It has moved all the way towards 33. What is happening right now? The crossover in the moving averages is on the buy side, and the price is retraced right now, seen taking support from the moving averages. I will wait for it to trade now below 32.65, 60. 60 should be a very good support here. The stochastic has bottomed here. The MACD is crossing over after a good rise. It is crossing over for sell. Not a good sign for the bulls here. It appears not much of downside available on the early charts. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see after hitting the highs, couple of bearish candles. Also to note there that the bearishness getting diminished and the current candle is just consolidating. Very important for silver to trade below 32.60. That will be the confirmation of further bearishness. And as in how it moves downwards 32.40, 32.20, and 32. If at all it trades below 32, that is the sign of a complete reversal, and then you can stay short from those levels. The stochastic looking downwards, slight bearish sign it is, while the MACD is on the buy side. It is crossed over, trading bullish. RSI near to top. On the 3 hour chart, see on the 3 hour chart, the observation is same, hitting the highs, a slight reversal, couple of bearish candles. I'll wait for it to trade below 32.60 levels. That will be the confirmation of more bearishness. Else, right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish. Notice what has happened: rise, retracement, and then this breakout has appeared, and it appears that it is moving towards the highs here. The highs here are all the way towards 33.40, 33.50 zone. So now if you see silver trading beyond 33, 33.10 today, you can stay bullish. Stochastic though is overbought and trying to look downwards, but when you look at MACD, it has crossed over and it is trying to trade bullish here. RSI comfortable. On the 4 hour chart, when you see the 4 hour chart, see what has happened. We have seen diminishing bullishness, and then this reversal sign has appeared. The top here at 33 offering a very good resistance. With that as resistance, prices try to erase some of the gains. Now notice I have to wait for it to trade below 32.60, 65 zone in order to confirm the further reversal. As long as prices respects the zone, we have to be careful. And then on the downside, see what will happen once it comes or falls back within the zone. It will again trade with this trend here, which suggests that the lows could be far below 32, and hence you have to be trading with caution. Stochastic overbought here, while the MACD crossing over here, trading with bullishness looking upwards. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, the crossover here is anyways on the buy side. Moving average is looking upwards, trading bullish here. See, this is how it has been trading here, and hitting the bottom of the channel, trying to bounce back. Look at the candle here yesterday. What has happened? The rise here, retracement, and one breakout. Now connect the dots here. See the highs and the lows, and you will find the median now here is at 32.60, 32.40 zone. This zone here between 32.60 and 40 is going to be the most critical zone. Once it breaks below this median zone, you can say now it will try to head towards the lows here. Be mindful, once it breaks below 32.60.40, it should head towards the lows of this, which suggests that it can in fact move beyond 31.50. Now, right now, it is trading bullish. A breakout beyond 33.10 and 33.25 should be a confirmation of further rise. And the stance right now is bullish anyways. The stochastic has cooled down, while the MACD, if you look at after the crossover, is trading with bullishness. It is starting to diverge, and the RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple, I will recommend you to buy here at 33 zone. Expect 33.25, 33.50. If 33.50 is taken, no point staying short. 33.85, 34 should be the next targets, beyond which sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 32.60. Be careful of 32.40 levels, and once it trades below 32.40, you can say now the bears are back. You can look forward to $32 levels and 31.80 levels. Below 31.80, the next is 31.50, and any move below 31.50 is a clear sign of more correction. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That will give you a fair bit of clarity on how to trade with the inflation data today. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trail your stop losses. Trade with a stop loss. Thank you.